Hi, I'm John Twist of University Motors, and today I want to show you the progress that we've made on the Midget. So here's the Midget on the Rotisserie. So we can move the whole body around. Look at this. Oh boy. And I haven't got so bold yet. We just got it done yesterday. I haven't been so bold yet to turn it. You know, to turn it, it's probably a two-person operation. But now, here it is, and we're going to be able to go ahead and do everything that we need to do and turn it on its side and upside down. And the first thing is the power washer. I got to get the power washer and get all the grease off it. So whether it either goes for chemical dip or sandblasting, I'm not sure which place it's going to yet. Depends on time, depends on cost. Then it'll at least be easier or less expensive in both of those places, because cutting grease with sand is, oh my gosh, it just chews up so much time. That's what I'm paying for. So anyway, so here it is, and this will fit a Midget up through 74 and probably back to, I know it isn't going to fit a Bug-Eye Sprite, so it doesn't fit quarter elliptic springs. It fits half elliptic springs all the way up through 74, so that must be about halfway through 64 up through 74. And you can see that I've made it out of these old engine stands. I've put a lot of triangulation in the bracketry, and we'll come around, we'll take a look at the back side of it. And I don't know whether Sarah can squat down a little bit and just take a little bit underneath, but I've got two arms that come out so that it doesn't twist, and then I've got a great big crossbar in the front that goes over and picks up where the leaf springs would be. So anyway, so here it is. I'm excited. Next video we'll have more of this. It'll be cleaned up, or we'll have it upside down or something. So until then, thanks very much for watching my videos. Thank you very much indeed. We've crossed the 400 mark now, the 400 videos up, and as of today's date, which is around the 27th, 28th or so of September 2024, we got 10.5 million views on the channel. So thanks to everybody for doing that. Until later, safety fast.